So now we have 3 variables, which means that we need 8 squares. So when we have 3 variables, we have the a variable on the side where a can be a 0. And when a is 0, it's an a naught. And when a can be a 1, which means that it's an a. And then at the very top, you have the other 2. You have variable b and c. So remember here, the sequence is a little bit different. 0, 0, 0, 1, and it's not 1, 0, it's 1, 1, and then 1, 0. These 2 are reverse compared to your truth table. So if you divide your truth table into 2 sections, what I'm saying is that here you have 1, 0, and then 1, 1. Okay, but here it's 1, 1, 1, 0. So just be careful, okay? So here we have B. B is 0, it's a naught. The second digit is C, it's 0, naught. Here we have B, it's a 0, naught, followed by a C.
B.
Then we have B.
BC.
C, before China. And then we have B.
C naught.
C naught. Good. And now all you have to do is plot. So just to give you a hand here, in case you haven't caught on, these 4 here will be in this row here. And use a black. The last 4 will be plotted in the last row. Okay? Anyone need any more specific details as to how to plot these?
Why do you flip those 2 at the?
Say again?
You know how you flip the position of the boxes?
Yeah, it's using a different number system. It's using gray code. It's called gray code. And gray code, actually, this is 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Here we're using this binary, and binary is different. Okay, so
Okay.
the guy that came up with this, Karnaugh, Mr. Karnaugh, he came up with this system of simplifying, which we haven't really fully seen yet. All we've seen so far is that eventually we have to make groups, but then we have to simplify using those groups. Okay, and so he used gray code, and gray code, this is the way you count. Okay, so you don't want to change 2 digits at the same time. Here, if you go from 1, 0, or sorry, 0, 1 to 1, 0, you're changing both digits. Okay, with gray code, you don't do that. Okay. You guys need a bit more time, or can I start putting them in?
Could do it.
There's no objections, I'll just put them in. So it's 1, 0, and be careful, this guy here, this one here. Okay, look at your B and C, it's 1 and 0, which means that it's the last one. Okay, and the last row here, this last one is when B and C are 1 and 1. Okay, and then if we continue to the next one, we have a 0, 0. The 1 is here on the last column, and 0. Are we okay with plotting when we have 3 variables, which means we have 8 squares? Are there any questions here? All righty. Can I move on to the next page, or do you need a bit more time?
Move.
Move on, no one's objecting. All right, we'll move on. We have another one here. Okay, same thing.
The same thing.